Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Agung Budarto. Today I will sharing my opinion about President Prabowo Subianto. Good morning everyone. Today I stand before you to share my talk on Indonesia's new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. As we all know, he assumed office in October 2024 after winning the general election with a strong mandate from the people. His leadership has sparked both hope and debate across the nation. First of all, I admire President Prabowo's commitment to economic growth and national resilience. He has introduced strategic policies to boost the economy, including requiring the deposit of export proceeds from natural resources to strengthen our financial stability. This shows his determination to project Indonesia will and ensure it benefits our people. Moreover, President Prabowo has shown a strong sense of patriotism. During the National Heroes Day ceremony, he reminded us never to forget the sacrifice of our heroes who fought for independence. His words reflect a deep respect for our history and a desire to unite the nation through shared values. Internationally, he has taken steps to strengthen Indonesia global partnership. His upcoming visit to Australia for trade talk demonstrated his proactive approach to diplomacy and economic cooperation. This is a positive sign that Indonesia is ready to engage more actively on the world stage. However, no leadership is without challenge. President Prabowo administration has faced criticism and protests over certain policies, but despite this heartless, his approval rating remained high around, which suggests that many Indonesians still believe in his vision and leadership. Let you stay informed, stay engaged, and continue to voice our opinion because democracy thrives when the people participate. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Agung Budarto. Okay, today I will discuss a very important topic, namely the present tense. Go to the second slide. Moving on the second slide. In this slide, we will discuss the important present tense. Present tense is an important foundation in English which is used to express current action and general truth. Understand how to use the present tense help in communicating clearly and precisely. Okay, let's moving on the third slide. In this slide, we will discuss the definition of present tense. This paragraph highlights the importance of mastering the present tense in English. It emphasizes that present tense is not only used for current action but also for routine and general truth. But by learning the two key forms, present simple and present continuous, learners can improve their ability to communicate clearly and accurately in everyday situation. Okay, let's move on to the fourth slide. In this slide, we will understand present simple and present continuous. The present simple tense is mainly used to describe habits, general truth, and regular or scheduled activities. It highlights actions that are consistent and unchanging over time. On the other hand, the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening at the moment of speaking, temporary situation, or planned future events. It emphasizes ongoing process and dynamic change. Overall, while the present simple focus on routine and permanence, and the present continuous express activity, progress, and temporary state. Okay, moving on to the fifth slide. This slide is suitable for explaining the use of the present simple tense. Is all the activities shown are examples of action performed regularly. This slide conveys the message that English skill or any other skill can only be mastered through continuous and consistent practice. Okay, skip. Okay, this is the seventh slide. This slide explains that in the present simple, it is important to add the suffix s or s for third person singular subject. Avoid structural mistake in negative and interrogative sentence, and use signal words such as always, usually, and never to express habits or routines. By understanding these the three aspects, the use of the present simple becomes more accurate, clear, and effective in communication. Okay, this slide illustration how the present continuous tense is used to describe action happening right now, especially in an educational context. Through vivid and meaningful classroom illustration, we can see that present continuous is suitable for expressing ongoing activities such as learning, teaching, and interacting. This this tense help convey a dynamic and participatory classroom atmosphere. This slide reinforce the understanding that person continuous is not just about sentence structure, but about bringing real moments to life in communication. This slide delivers a simple yet powerful motivational message. Studying is the key to success. The word study not only refers to academic activities but also encompasses the broader process of learning in life, acquiring skills, gaining experience, and expanding knowledge. Okay, let's move on to slide 10. This slide explains that the present continuous is used to describe actions that are currently happening, temporary situation, and planned future events. Its structure used to be I'm, is, are plus verb ing, and this form helps express actions that are in progress clearly and naturally in everyday communication. Okay, let's on to slide 11. This slide explains that common mistake in the present tense often occur due to tense inconsistency, incorrect use of verb form or auxiliaries, and omitting the subject in sentence. To avoid these errors, it is important to check tense consistency, use the correct verb forms, and practice regularly while reviewing example sentences to make present tense usage more accurate and natural. Okay, this slide delivers a powerful motivational message. Perfection is achieved through consistent practice. Practice is an active learning process where mistakes become part of progress. Okay, present tense is a fundamental part of English communication used to express general fact, habit, and current event. Alright, now let's move on to slide 14. This slide explains the use of the present simple tense in the context of everyday life. Present simple is used to express habit, general fact, and routines. Through warm and meaningful illustration, the slide shows that this tense reflects repetitive action and stable condition. It is used to describe social interaction, learning process, and activities that bring meaning to life. It is suitable for expressing the things that do not change in the near future, such as daily routines of general truth. Okay, in this slide we will understand the present continuous tense. This slide provides a visual and concise explanation of the present continuous tense, grammatical form in English, used to express actions that are happening right now. Draw contextual illustration. The slide helps learner understand when this tense is used for temporary events or current activities, how to form it using to be plus verb in real life syntax, examples, common signal word that often appear in present continuous tense. This is the last slide. Thank you for being such a great audience and thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has been informative and helpful. Keep going.